Welcome to the new E-Squared marketing program for industry entrepreneurs like you. SVG is now assisting many industry vendors, suppliers, and technology providers and manufacturers from across the industry reach more businesses, grow their brands, generate leads, and convert those leads to sales to over 89,000 business owners in a $100 billion roofing and storm restoration industry. Step 1. Sign up as a vendor at the annual Win a Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo. As a vendor, we can help you reach over 3,000 decision makers at the annual Win a Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo. Step 2. Join the SVG Affiliate Partner Network. But why wait until the annual Win a Storm Conference? As an SVG affiliate, there is a short vetting process, and you must agree to dispute resolution within our community. But our network takes our vetting seriously, and this gives you instant credibility with a network of thousands of business owners who may be interested in your products and services. In fact, our marketing team will post for you a few times a month, and as an SVG affiliate, you can also post your advertisements on our exclusive SVG private Facebook page of over 9,000 members, mainly business owners. The SVG Affiliate Partner Program has helped double, if not triple, the business of many companies serving the $100 billion roofing and storm restoration industry. Step 3. Sign up for a Speakeasy podcast to shoot at SVG headquarters. The SVG Speakeasy podcast has a potential reach of over 89,000 industry business owners. In the podcast, I will interview you, discuss your story as well as your company, products, and services. I will edify you and your company. The Speakeasy is not a sales pitch, but edutainment per se. And I have a unique way of edifying you and your company or your message in a fun way that engages many listeners. Step 4. Sign up for an SVG green room shoot or field video shoot for your products or services. Take advantage of the SVG Green Room and Videography Department and create killer video content for your brand, your products and services, with or without me as your video host. Our team can create social media sizzles for you and your company for YouTube, Facebook ads, and more. You could also shoot killer content along with me and have your own course inside SVG University, giving you immediate organic exposure to over 3,000 companies using our platform, which comprise over 15,000 users across the industry. We can also come out to you and do field shoots, perhaps shoot your builds, come to your field or office training scenarios at your location anywhere 24/7. Want to really stand out from your competition? We also have the ability to shoot this killer content using our proprietary 360 film team to create your own virtual reality experience for your employees or your customers. That's right, your own online training platform or even your own custom brand of VR goggles with your training and or your customer presentation experience helping you stand out from your competition. Step 5. We can also help you produce your own course inside SVG University and organically reach another 15,000 industry subscribers. We have filmed SVGU courses with many well-known industry entrepreneurs and added their content to SVGU. Just to name a few, Derek Klein with Hail Trace now has a course both inside SVGU and the new SVGU VR goggles. Stan Bastic with Atlas has a multifamily build course inside both SVGU and the SVGU VR goggles. We even have folks like policyholder attorney Bob Green, who has an intro to policyholder attorneys course inside SVGU. Or how about Mark Lesnar from Certainteed, who has a residential asphalt shingle build course inside SVGU. And then there's Matt Behrens with C3, who has an intro to public adjusters course inside SVGU. We even have Ed Folk, the ex-chairman of OSHA, with his own OSHA course inside SVGU, which we're about to expand greatly. So look, if you're an industry leader, a supplier, maybe you're a manufacturer rep or technology provider and want your own educational course inside SVGU, reach out to us as we now have over 15,000 industry subscribers inside SVGU, giving you instant organic reach to thousands. Step 6, my favorite subject, lead conversion of sales. Look, over the last 7 years, we have organically grown our network of industry-specific business owners in the $100 billion roofing and storm restoration industry. We have over 89,000. We currently use Keep, formerly known as Infusionsoft, to track and monitor our growing network. We have the unique ability to mirror copy our exclusive network for things like Facebook ad audiences, lookalikes, email drips, and other digital marketing initiatives. For example, just take Facebook ads. Nobody out there can mirror our industry-specific network of 89,000 using Facebook ads but us. This, along with our unique ability to create killer content for you, in some cases with myself as your video co-host, produces explosive results when it comes to targeted B2B lead generation in our industry. This new service is only available to select WTS vendors whom are also affiliate partners. So check out some of our testimonials on this page and give us a call at 330-57-STORM. Click below and one of our reps will be in touch to help put together a custom E-squared marketing plan with just some or all of the options above. We will help you customize a marketing plan that's best suited for you and your company in order to help you get more customers, increase your sales, and help you scale it. Booyah, baby!